I should have been more serious with that.
Oh, yeah, hit the jump.
Hook him up.
Think about it.
That's a very serious video camera you've got there. It's lovely.
Thank you.
It won't go backwards. There is a strap on the front of the vehicle. Why
There
is
is.
someone just pulling forward?
I was prepared to do that, but I think backwards is a smarter move.
Possibly. Oh no, don't just grab it. I have a very strong recovery ethos. First try and pull. And if you don't come out,
Yeah, and go back. Yeah.
another go. Fuck, and that hurts. That's the recovery pull, because the whole toe hitch came out.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Thank you.
That's why I don't like recovery hooks.
Yeah.
Boss loves the short shorts. Particularly Kylie Minogue type short shorts.
Ah, yeah. Yes, that was the line from that Simpsons episode.
Precious cargo on butt
Flee!
On Tuesdays, I'm
Run
a
away!
protection
Run
star.
away! That rabbit's dynamite.
Where's the command?
You right?
Save me, Jeebus!
Ooh, okay, went down on the suspension, but didn't do anything else.
Hmm.
Tui's at. Oh no, hang on, you're probably not from the state where Tui's is from.
No, I've seen that ad before. No, you're right. What's gold colour? Oh, winch.
Starting to move. Don't put your head out the window.
Keep going. He got that problem.
He was on the ditch. I don't understand. Well, he's on the back.
Hey!
Now go again!
Right, now you know how you stuffed it up. You can make it this time.
Cool.
Victorian mud. Oh my god.
Now can we go up the other side?
Let's go. Have another go.
That would be a maybe.
Also will.
That would be interesting. It did. I was thinking a little while ago I would have got a cage round there. Don't have it.
They really jumped back in case.
Oh!
Go back up the hill.
Whoa! What?
And come faster.
Come to the right a little bit more.
Okay.
I'll pick a new line.
Go back up the hill. Get more speed.
Yes.
Should I or just pick a new line?
Yes.
New line.
Come to the right a little bit more.
It'll make good TV anyway.
Yep.
Look, how much easier is that when you got your wheels on the ground?
Right?
Nah, they spit out. Same point, same hole. This is what I was going to originally think of doing.
Now who's got a win? Why is it going this way?
Much easier. Is that just the track?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is all I want to do is get the gear and get stuff. What are they? 33? He's just different now. You've got your left wheel in the right rut now. Well, didn't need those mud flaps, did you? See, your back's starting to go back in the hole. A little bit more.
Left hand down now.
Yeah, actually, go left hand down. Left hand
way.
hand down.
Well, the rear wheels have just dug that out where the front's trying to get through. So, yeah. Tony kept the front end up. Oh well.
We get that bounce on camera or what?
That's a lot of it.
Professional.
Might as well put it Winchester stick on the back of me.
Shit right now. There he goes coming in. We're not getting pulled out.
Well, he can back all the way down to the bottom.
Whoop!
Alright, now somebody give me a ride back when you come.
Okay.